Samsung's flagship smartphones are known for having some of the most balanced cameras in the Android ecosystem. However, it's been 4 years since Samsung last significantly revamped the camera hardware on its top-tier devices. The ideal opportunity for a major overhaul would be with the upcoming Galaxy S25 series early next year. While Samsung introduced a high-resolution 50-megapixel super-telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the other models in the lineup, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, continue to use the same 10-megapixel 3x optical telephoto sensors as before. Even the S24 Ultra relies on 10-megapixel and 12-megapixel sensors for its telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. Even Apple and Google, typically known for their more conservative approach to camera upgrades, the iPhone 16 Pro is anticipated to feature 48-megapixel primary and ultra-wide cameras, along with a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. Samsung's current cameras are certainly capable, but there's room for substantial improvement with larger and higher resolution sensors, especially when combined with powerful processors and advanced computational photography. We're still at least 5 months away from the Galaxy S25's launch, but leaks about Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone are already emerging. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding the Galaxy S25 has been its design, but we now have a potential first glimpse of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's front design. Renowned tipster Ice Universe shared an image on X, suggesting that this might be the look of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The image hints at a design with slightly rounded corners, a shift from the sharper corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If accurate, this change could enhance the phone's comfort during use. Additionally, the tipster posted a comparison image showing the front design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra alongside that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. From the looks of it, Samsung's next flagship will maintain the same screen size and aspect ratio as its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.